In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box into your Microsoft Word document. This is a simple process, but a useful skill to have when you want to enhance the layout of your documents. Let's get started. First, let's open up the Microsoft Word document where you want to add a text box. Now, if you're working on a new document or an existing one, doesn't really matter. The process is the same. Once your document is open, we'll want to direct our attention to the toolbar at the top. Here, we're looking for the Insert tab. Click on that, and it will open up a variety of options you can add to your document, ranging from pictures to tables. It's almost like your toolbox for Word, filled with features to enhance your document. Next, within the Insert tab, we need to find the Shapes option. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying different shape options. Now, amidst all these shapes, there's one that looks a bit different and is exactly what we need, the text box shape. It usually appears as a box with some lines and the letter A on it. It's typically located at the very top of the list, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once you've located the text box shape, click on it. This will allow you to place a text box into your document. You'll notice there are a few options for text boxes, such as horizontal or vertical. Most often, the standard horizontal text box is exactly what you'll need, but it's nice to have options depending on your layout preferences. Now comes the fun part, actually placing your text box onto your document. Click and drag anywhere on your page to draw the text box. Want it bigger? Simply drag further. Need it smaller? No problem, just adjust it to the size you need. This flexibility is what makes text boxes so convenient. They can be tailored perfectly to fit your content and your document's layout. And just like that, you're done. You now know how to insert and manipulate a text box in Microsoft Word, opening up new opportunities to organize and present information creatively in your documents. Whether for notes, quotes, or important snippets, text boxes can bring an added layer of professionalism and clarity to your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, keep exploring and experimenting with all the features Word has to offer.